Does your B2B sales pipeline feel like it's a leaky bucket? Leads come in, but they're skipping away before closing. You're not alone. And in this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens and more importantly, how to fix it. Who am I? Why should you listen to me? Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, and I help sales managers and B2B entrepreneurs like you streamline sales processes to close more than deals. With years of experience in sales strategy, I've seen the same pipeline mistakes over and over again, and I'm here to help you avoid them. Just to clarify, I built my first website that I SEO'd that went national, or not just national, but global in 2001. So I've been around for a while and I've had some good success with my websites and lead generation and putting it all together. So, what are we looking at? Point number one is your lack of a clear qualification criteria. So, are you chasing unqualified leads? Many pipelines fail because they focus on quantity over quality. It's time to define clear qualification criteria. Think budget, authority, need, and timing. Ask yourself, is this lead truly ready to buy? Or are we wasting valuable time and resources? When you send an email blast and it's a cold email blast, you can track the opened emails, the clicked emails, the bounced emails. So what you need to do with this is create another list from the opened and clicked emails and send them a separate offer, because those are your responsive people, and you will find that your results will be 100% better. So point number two is follow or poor follow-up processes. This is a big one because with AI, we don't have this excuse anymore. And, so let's talk about this follow-up a bit. Did you know that 80% of sales require at least 5 follow-ups? But most reps give up after just 1 or 2. Automating your follow-ups and personalizing your outreach can drastically improve your pipeline efficiency. The other one that is massive is how fast you respond to leads. With AI, you can do that in 5 seconds. The national average at the moment is like 42 hours for businesses, which is far too slow, and another business is taking that deal. Okay, and then point 3 is that sales and marketing alignment is key. If your marketing team is driving traffic that doesn't convert, or your sales team isn't communicating feedback, you're setting yourself up for failure. So regular meetings and shared goals can bridge this gap. Very important to get these two departments aligned. So let me share a quick example. I worked with a client whose pipeline was losing leads because their follow-up were generic and inconsistent. But by implementing the Scaling Finder CRM tool and creating detailed follow-up sequences, they increased their conversion rate by 30% in just 3 months. Don't forget this little tip, this little secret. Collect the people who have opened your emails and your cold emails and send them a nice offer, send them something, and you'll be surprised at the results you get. So if you're ready to transform your sales pipeline, click the link in the description to book a free call with me, and let's tackle your challenges together. Right, there you have it. Fixing your B2B pipeline starts with better lead qualification, consistent follow-up, faster follow-up, and aligning your sales and marketing teams. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. So, if you have found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more actionable sales tips. And don't forget to book a call with me using the link below. I'd love to help you to unlock your pipeline's full potential. I'll see you in the next video.